major point in practice just to come out strong. We knew inside they were tough. We knew they were going to push, shove, bump. I mean, they're a great defensive team, and we just had to come out ready. We came out strong, came out aggressive. Guys brought their hard hats, and we just worked hard, and it paid off tonight. We've had our struggles, obviously, losing close games by 1 or 2, 3 points, and we just made an effort to get to the line at the end, take our time on offense, run our sets, and just make sure they'll be good shots. And I mean, we broke the press well. We didn't let them bother us, rattle us, or anything, and it worked out today.
It was a great win for us tonight. A great team victory. We had to be hard-nosed, tough, and we were. We battled. We did a good job getting the free throw line. We did a good job shooting a high percentage from the three-point line. If we can calm down with some of our turnovers and maybe a couple of our open shots, make a few of them, and play one of our better games of the year. They switch a lot of screens. I think they do a great job guarding the perimeter. They like to take away the threes, and we had to go inside, and I don't think they thought Khalil could score. The consistency. The Khalil's had back-to-back games scoring inside, doing a really great job. I thought Travis rebounded the ball. He got us off to a good start, making some shots. And then Ross getting fouled and getting to the free throw line. Our point guards had a few too many turnovers tonight, and they were trying to make plays rather than just take the plays that were there. But it was a good team effort. We battled through some adversity and made some free throws and made some stops down the stretch. So this is a good confidence boost for our team because we beat a good, tough basketball team tonight.